Unit 2. Family and Friends. Lesson 2.
Listen and repeat.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phone book. TV. Computer. Radio. Bike.
Listen and read.
Macida's our secret friend.
Now I'm your friend too, Oscar.
This is a magic lamp. It's Macid's house.
It's very nice. What's this?
It's my phone book. What's your phone number, Oscar?
3342952. Wendy, what's Cindy's phone number?
Oh, Oscar.
Look and listen. This is Macid's house. Now you say. This is Eddie's parrot. This is Eddie's TV. This is Wendy's brother. This is Lynn's mother. This is Cindy's radio. This is Wendy's computer. Look and listen. What's Cindy's phone number?
9834758.
Now, you answer.
What's Eddie's phone number?
369 1842.
What's Lynn's phone number?
Nine six five 4371.
What's Wendy's phone number?
Five seven nine 6384.